Welcome to part 3 of 9 of the Behemoth build. We are TPL Solutions, the PC lad. We build the best custom computers for work and gaming across Europe and based right here in Ireland. So we're operating on the Lian Li case. We're going to fit the power supply in here. But here's what you get with Lian Li that you don't get with your standard cases, is that there's a magnetic clip here and the same up here at the top. So when I go to open this, I pretty much have a door for cables. It's literally a wardrobe for cables, and it locks down. There's no rattle in it. So when I let go of that, it's magnetic. It's not going anywhere. Very nice. We've got some Evo cables in here as well, so it's very well managed. So in this PC, we're going to be fitting an 870 watt Corsair power supply. It's a fully modular power supply, which means all the cables are fully detachable and swappable. We recommend only using Corsair power cables with Corsair power supplies. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit this power supply unit right in here with the fan facing outwards so we can get better airflow in the case. So now we have this power supply fully fitted, and we can insert the cables we want to use with this power supply, and we're going to cable manage everything while we're still waiting on the motherboard to arrive. This is pretty much the handful of cables you get when you order any standard modern power supply. Most of them you don't need. You'll only need 3 or 4. So we're going to need one CPU board cable, so that's CPU power. And what we'll do is we'll add a second CPU cable, so we have a total of 2 CPU cables, just because they may require more power. Looking for a custom PC built around your budget? We build everything from 800 to over 5 grand. Check the links in our bio. Specifically, AM5 tends to require more power, so having them in there isn't a bad thing, and it makes it easier for our client if he doesn't have 2 slots but he wants to upgrade in the future. He has the cables already pre-installed. Then we're going to use a cheeky little 12 volt cable, and we're going to power that with a cable extension from Lian Li, which is a cable strimmer. So this is the cable strimmer from Lian Li. It's a very, very nice premium white cable mod. It's very expensive. And what we like about this is that it does have right angular support. So when you slot it into your GPU, it sits pretty much flush. It sits amazingly, to be honest. So we're going to pair that in there as well. So what we'll need is a 24 pin power cable for the motherboard. This is necessary, it's mandatory. So that's our other cable. Also with that, we're going to use this other Lian Li 24 pin cable mod. So that will extend to the motherboard power. And check out the link in our bio for our full range of custom built computers, and message me personally on WhatsApp to design and build a PC tailored to your needs and your budget.